How to fix damaged hair. Tip 1. Hair products. Use shampoos and conditioners that are sulfate-free. Sulfates in hair products take away the natural oils in your hair and cause dryness. Using these products over time can damage your hair. Tip 2. Hair oils. Apply natural oils like olive oil or coconut oil to your hair and scalp. These oils can repair damaged hair and keep your hair moisturized. Oiling your hair regularly can bring back that shine and softness. Tip 3. Avoid heat styling. Try to limit the use of styling tools like blow dryers and curling irons. It is also important to invest in a heat protectant spray to minimize hair damage if you are using heat on your hair. Tip 4. Wide tooth comb. Using a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair will reduce breakage. Invest in this type of comb instead of a regular brush. Tip 5. Use a silk pillowcase. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase will reduce friction on your hair at night. Using this material can prevent breakage, frizz, and split ends. Let me know which tip helped you heal your hair the most in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.